Now, from the downtown of Northwest Arkansas, in Uptown Rogers, with weather from Bentonville to Fayetteville, Fort Smith, and beyond, here's Oz weather meteorologist, Garrett Lewis.
And good Friday morning to you. It is April 5th, 2024, looking live towards Uptown Rogers on what's going to be a nice sunny day for us, mostly sunny skies. The winds start to pick up this weekend. That's going to lead to, well, more allergies, but something could knock the allergies out of the sky a little bit, and that would come into play coming up on Saturday night into Sunday. We have some rain this weekend, but thankfully it's during the overnight hours, and most of us will be asleep. Now, temperatures over the coming days, too, will be in the 70s. More sunshine than cloud cover. Saturday night into Sunday is the day to watch for showers. It's April, so you're probably thinking severe weather. Not really with this one. We may hear a rumble of thunder or two Saturday night, but the severe weather threat does not appear to be high. We don't have severe weather chances returning until around Monday and Tuesday of next week. Now, it is chilly this morning, though. Our temperatures out across the area are already in the 30s across much of the region. Let's look at those temperatures. Right now, it's 32. We're freezing in Fayetteville, waking up to patchy frost again. It's 38 in Bentonville, 39 in Rogers, 34 out at XNA, 38 in Siloam Springs. Now, it's chilly, and you're probably thinking, man, do I need the jacket today? Well, we're going to warm up a lot. Just like yesterday, we'll be back in the 70s, those 40s in Fort Smith, those 30s in Russellville, replaced with temperatures that are quite a bit warmer as we settle into the upcoming weekend. What I thought we'd do is, again, take a look at the surface charts. They really tell us a lot on what's going on as far as the weather goes. As we move through the first part of the day, we have that high pressure to the north. The high on Friday starts to slip to the east, and we'll eventually get those winds turned around out of the south. So this is the end of the day today. You can see those isobars packing up and that warm front just to the south. Now, as we head into Saturday morning, that warm front starts moving more north. That'll bring some breezy south winds both Saturday and Sunday. This is Saturday morning. This is Saturday night. So as we move into the overnight Saturday, you can see that warm front lined up there. The severe weather chance is going to be between the warm front and the cold front. And it's a small chance. And it's mostly in central and eastern Oklahoma, out towards maybe Tulsa in that area. So that's a Saturday night. So by Sunday morning, it's already to the east. The winds will turn more southwesterly behind the front. And then as we head into Monday, we have that stationary boundary. Now, this is the big player here because how far south this boundary goes in central Arkansas will determine who can see the eclipse and who can't. I think central Arkansas and south is probably going to be socked into the clouds. Central Arkansas and north is a little bit more iffy. Right now, it does look like all of us will have high cloud covers. The low pressure spins counterclockwise, so we're under that southwest flow, which means high clouds will be just about all over the natural state. But even with the high clouds, you can still see the eclipse. It's those low clouds that you really don't want to run into, and those will be present across South Arkansas and Northeast Texas, as well as Southeast Oklahoma. Some of the best viewing may be in Northwest Arkansas, even though the totality is going to be just a little farther to the east. Harrison may be a good spot too. So this weekend, temperatures will be in the mid to low 70s. Remember that front moves through Saturday night, so we'll have showers. A windy weekend with south winds. Temperatures knock back just a little bit on Sunday. Overall, probably not that noticeable. It's going to be really wonderful out there with plenty of 70s. Enjoy the sunshine. The rain comes back next week. Of course, the rain, not a bad thing in the springtime. Need it for our gardens, for the crops. Rain totals, though, could be a little bit high. This is a 7-day rain estimate. You can see the natural state lying squarely in that 3 to 4 inch range over the next 7 days. We have multiple rounds of rain that are set to move through. Those rainfall rounds that start beginning, of course, Saturday night to Sunday, and then Monday into Tuesday, and then Wednesday and Thursday as well. Next week will be a very stormy week for us with occasional showers and storms. There will be some possibility of severe weather. That's still not very clear at this point, and it's very undefined. Back to the eclipse, though. It does look like the cloud cover will be present across much of the natural state. The percentage of cloud cover on the data is showing over 100%. Now, keep in mind, though, a lot of this is high clouds. The high cloud cover is not going to be as problematic as some of the low clouds in the southern part of the state. Have a great Friday out there. Temperatures are going to be warm. They'll be in the 70s. The wind will be brisk. Overall, great looking weekend. Sunny and 70. Hey, can't beat that. Look at a good one.